Well, I'm just flicking the camera on because I put a new battery in, so it's not going to go flat. But Lily, you know, little Miss Curiosity that she is, has realised that there's something a little different here. And what is it? And will I touch it or won't I touch it scenario? She hasn't quite built up the will I or won't I yet, but I'm pretty sure if I know Lily, are you going to come over and see what it is? If I touch it, do you think that you might be able to touch it? It's nice and soft. It is? What do you think? Hey? No, I'll go around this way first. Hey? Jack, he went back in. He decided that he just wants to go home. Lily, I think wants to go exploring. She did kind of curl up there, but then she was watching me put this sort of together, which I bought for the cats, not the snakes. Of course, there's a little holy box in there that I'm pretty sure and they will explore at some stage, but I'm not actually going to leave it there. It won't be just, yeah, it's just not you know, balanced enough for a big heavy dude, especially Jack. The little ones would be perfectly okay to crawl on that and be quite okay on it. So yeah, I haven't decided where I'm actually going to put it. And you staying home, Jack? Are you just gonna hang with your butt over here and your head over there? Is, and Lily's gonna hang with her butt up and her head down there for the moment. That is, I'm gonna have to keep my eye on her because I know she isn't going to stay there. She's going to venture down and around and check things out. She's in kind of one of those moods actually. So oh no, she's coming back up. I'm pretty sure this is going to get the better of her, and she's going to come and check it out. Actually, Lily is certainly one of those snakes that does that sort of thing. Sees something new, and she might be a little bit cautious of it initially, but then you know that snake curiosity kicks in, and I think all animals have that. They're a little bit shy and a little bit nervous, but then once they sort of feel, okay, well it's not moving and it doesn't look like it will actually hurt me, then the curiosity kicks in and they go, I've got to check it out. Like I've really got to check this thing out and see what it actually is, because this is their room. You know, this is their room, so anything new, they want to know what it is and what it will do or won't do. That's just how I found my snakes. Let me know if you've sort of seen the same with your guys. The same thing, that curiosity. See? This is what I mean about curiosity. And Lily was up there. She saw me putting this together, sitting it here, and straight away she started heading down. but I didn't have the light on, I didn't have the camera going, so, because I flicked that light on, because I knew she was going to come and check it out and find out what it is. Absolutely. Well, you never disappoint your mum, do you, Lily? Hey, with your behaviour? You're a sticky noser, aren't you? Not quite ready to put herself... Oh, there you go. Alright, she says okay. It is nice and soft though. You think snakes like soft? You know, they curl up on a nice patch of grass, which I gather to a snake is soft. This is just extremely soft. So now I'm wondering whether she's going to check out the opening as well, and maybe, you know, curl up in there, which wouldn't surprise me with Lily at all. Or whether she's contemplating venturing into Jack's enclosure with Jack. That could happen too, but I just find this sort of thing with snakes just fascinating. That, you know, they're so smart. They're just so clever. Here we go. See? She sensed a hole in there. Totally. I think my cats might miss out, actually, guys. I got a feeling that might be a place where Lily decides might be a really great place to sneak into and curl up and have her little nap at times when she's out, which is cool by me. Don't get me, that's perfect. If she wants to do that, she's more than welcome to actually do that. I'm okay. Great. Absolutely great. But I knew it. I knew she would. I just totally knew she would. And she was up there, guys. She was up on her hammock, getting ready to do a curl up and put her head down and of course have her nap, which Lily does. But she saw me doing this here. I was sitting right here because this was off and the thing was off, so I just screw it all in. She poked her head over and she just started watching me, and I could see it, and I thought, yeah, Lily, I know, sweetie, what is it? And you're going to come down and you're going to check it out, and there you go. She is, it's a dark little hole, guys, so you can't see her in there, but I'm sure she's thinking, will I go all the way in, or will I keep half of me out, which means that I'm safe if anything goes wrong. You know, quick escape plan. I think. So guys, I hope you just enjoy this chatter. You know, Lily spotting something new here, deciding that exploring it is a good thing, and it is a good thing, guys. That's what I mean about mixing things up for your snake and giving them different things to explore. But Jack is, you know, I think Jack's made of different stuff altogether. He's not quite as out there in that way as what my Lily is, and I think that's a good thing actually, because two lilies, and I think I might be going to get that anyway, whether I want it or not, with Tessa, to be honest. Oh, there she goes. she's decided to stick her head out of the hole. And it's dark down there, bub. It's dark down there. You're going to come over here and say hello, or you... No, she says, I think I'll go back in this hole, Mum. It looks a little interesting in here, and it's dark, and it'll be warm. That's for sure, for a snake to snuggle up in. So it's just about, for me, remembering that if she does do that, she goes in there and she snuggles in, that I have to remember she's gone in there and that's where she is, so I don't grab my car keys and then go and jump in the car and take off. That would be me. Trust me, that would be me some days. I probably would only get up the road and then I would remember that did I put Lily back? And come bolting back home. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm sure that she's just got to feel comfortable and have somewhere to hang on to, I think, until she can get herself all the way in there. More than anything, that's what it's kind of about for her. So I'm sort of holding her weight here for her, so that she will feel comfortable. If she can't get a grip of something, oh, there you go, she's kind of doing it. I don't know if she'll go all the way in or not, but if she does, guys, I'll very quickly put this back on and I'll show you her all snuggled in there. But Jack, you're just checking out what Lily's doing. You think she's a silly girl, don't you? Now you're thinking, what do you think you're doing, Lily? That's a cat thing. That's not a snake thing. Us snakes don't hang out in cat things. I don't think Lily will care. Right, guys? Take care of yourself and your family. These beautiful, beautiful animals, snakes. That's what they are. Aren't you, Lil? Okay, guys. I'll I don't know what she's gonna do. I sort of got hold of her and she's deciding where she's gonna go now. Okay, I've got to go. I think I'm gonna need my other hand in a minute. Alright. Oh, you're gonna come up here? Can I turn the camera off? Do you think I could turn the camera off? What do you think? Hey? Well, don't open my door to my home because I'm not going there. I'm not going to go there, Mum. Do you want to go up? Where are you going to go? Oh, down. Alright, guys. Ciao.